Good evening. I want to start by saying a heartfelt thanks to all of you for being here tonight to celebrate what has been an incredible 25 years journey of this organization. Arya and I, when we were planning this event, we felt it was essential to acknowledge and appreciate everyone's contribution to this journey, no matter how big or small. So, from sending food for the residents, coming for our competitions and events, or participating as volunteers for our outreach programs, to all the doctors, trustees, and advisory board members present here, whose support and dedication have truly made this possible. 25 years is a huge milestone in the center's and Amma's life. As you all know, this is not a 9 to 5 job. So when I say 25 years, I mean 24 hours a day for 25 years. That's 25 years of working under a lot of pressure. That's 25 years of working under a lot of pressure and undertaking huge responsibilities. At the same time, taking care of everything at home. So, I mean, waking up early every day, making our dabbas, getting us ready for school, and then sending us to school, and then diving into the center with full energy and motivation. This is no small feat, and it's a testament to Amma's strength and dedication. So, I think, of course, none of this would have been possible without our incredible staff. You have always been ready to help, whether it was staying up all night making food for festivals such as Onam, or rushing to the center in the middle of a night for medical emergencies. Your unwavering support has been invaluable. You've always been there, ready to step in, no questions asked. And to the rest of the staff who couldn't be here tonight, we thank you as well, because your dedication has made this milestone possible. And I think they deserve a huge round of applause. This journey hasn't been without its challenges. So I want to take a moment to thank my Azoba and my mamas, Ani, Rushi, and Vishrut Mama, for being there for Amma during some of the toughest times, especially when we had to rebuild in 2015. When Amma started the organization from the ground up 9 years ago, it meant that she couldn't always be home with Arya and me. So I'd also like to thank Kumpi, Kaku Aji, Sucha, Radhika Mami, and Anandi Mami for stepping in to take care of us so Amma could focus on the work at hand without worrying about us. A special thanks also to Sona Maushi and Tejas Akka as well for always being there. In fact, Sona Maushi has been there since the inception of this organization and is the one who has designed the logos for Chaitanya and Pratiti. So Arya and I have grown up in the center, so when I started working, I felt right at home. It's been 9 months since I've started working with Amma, and I'm learning something new every day. There's still a lot to learn from her because after all, she has more work experience than I have life experience. I'm looking forward to working with her and learning from the best doctors and professionals in this field, whose guidance and counsel have been invaluable towards the growth of this center. I'm also thrilled to announce the launch of a new elder care unit next month. So this center will focus on providing specialized care for elders with psychiatric and neurological disorders. This is a huge step forward for Pratiti and will play a vital role in the next chapter of this organization. So finally, I want to say thank you to everyone for being here tonight. Your presence and support means more to us than words can express. We look forward to continuing this journey with you by our side as we strive for even greater heights in the years to come. Thank you.